Hey there, this is Akshay Madan and welcome back to part 5 of complete wallpaper app series in Flutter using the Pixels API. And in this part, we are going to end the series and we are going to make the full screen image window and the set wallpaper button. So come in the library and click and make a new file that is full screen dot. And over here, let's try to write the code material dot. Then let's define a stateful widget. Let's name this screen as full screen. And now this full screen is going to take a parameter from the previous screen from where it is getting loaded. So that will be a final string image URL because we want to provide the image URL. Then only it will load the image on the screen, right? So we have got the image URL. Then in the return container, we want to return a scaffold. Here also I'm not interested in defining an app bar. So just define the body, and in the body, let's define a column. First of all, we have to define a container, and now define a child called make a column. Here also I'm going to define two children, that is expanded, because first thing will be the complete image screen and the second thing will be the button, set wallpaper button. So in the expanded child container, okay, I have to define, just cut this, define children first, and inside this paste it. Yes, so I think one extra thing is added. Now it is correct. So in the scaffold, I'm defining a container, then a column with the children as expanded container. The second thing will be again a container, and we can just copy it from the previous screen. So come on wallpaper dot and copy this inkwell. Control C, the full screen, paste it. And here on tap will not be load more. Another function will be there, and the text will be set wallpaper. Right? Set wallpaper. Now it is added. Now in the container, what I want to return, it is a child, and it will be image.network, and the source will be widget.image URL, that the image URL which we are getting from the previous screen. Let's save it, and now let's return it. Let's call this function. So whenever I'm going to click on the image, so come on this container and wrap this container with an inkwell, and in the on tab, define navigator dot push context, then material page route, define context, return a context, then return the full screen. And let's import this screen, semicolon. Then this full screen will take a parameter image URL, and the parameter is going to be that same thing. Sorry, control and paste it over here, but we are not going to give it tiny URL, we are going to give it large 2x URL, large 2x, right? Save it. Let's see our mobile and let's try to click on this, and we can see the complete full screen wallpaper we can see. Now only thing that is left is to make this set wallpaper button working. So come on the full screen. Now we want to define a function. So come in this class and define a function set wallpaper. For this thing we want to add a few dependencies. So the dependencies that are there are the wallpaper manager, and the second dependency is flutter cache manager, right? So these are the two dependencies. Now come on the full screen dot. Now let's write the function. Define the location. So my location will be where you want to set the wallpaper. So wallpaper manager dot home screen, lock screen, or both the screens. So let's define this wallpaper for the home screen, right? So it is home screen. Now let's make this function as async, right? Now after the defining the location, define the file. So where file will be default cache manager dot get single file dot get mm, get a single file. Define the URL. So URL is widget dot image URL. Okay, this is done. Now we are going to set the wallpaper. So string result will be await wallpaper manager dot set wallpaper from the file and define the file path. So file path is your file that is defined over here, and you have to define the location, and your location is this location, int location, right? So define the location, save it. Why it is file not getting loaded? So what you have to do, make this, first of all, make this function as future void, and this file will be file dot path, and we have to make this where file also await. So let's just have a look on this complete function. What we are doing, first of all, we are defining the location. So home screen I'm defining, you can define it lock screen and both the screens. Then you have to define the file. So which file you want to put as the wallpaper. So default cache manager dot get single file. Define the URL that we have got from this constructor. Then define the result. So in the result, what I'm doing, I'm setting the wallpaper from the file, define the file path, and define the location. So let's save it, and let's see the mobile, and let's, now you may have to rerun your app. So because we have added some dependencies, now I have rerun my app. Now I'm going to click on this wallpaper. Now click on set wallpaper button. Now we can see that our wallpaper is set. So that's amazing. And at this point of time, we can say that we have completed the app, and you now know that how to use the APIs. Now it's your task to use the Unsplash API and create your app, right? So that's your homework, or you can say your task. And I think this much is enough for this series, and we have completed a lot of things in this series. So till the next content, till the next series, till the next app, keep coding, keep innovating, and thanks a lot.